So here is a quick tutorial on how to use our MCH1 hole cutting machine. I'm going to be using a 40mm die set for this. Very simple. You should just be able to screw this into that top shaft. Once you've got the height you like, you can clamp down and adjust here. You can get that even tighter with this tool set which comes with the machine. You essentially spin around until it locks into place and then pull back. And I'll show you very quickly all the materials it can cut through quite well. Here is some cardboard. Here is some curtain fabric, which has several layers to it as well. Here is some leather. And there we go.